Imagine a world where your Instagram account doesn't just serve as a platform for sharing photos and experiences, but also as a goldmine, a world where every reel you post, every story you share, can be transformed into a steady stream of income. This is not some far-fetched fantasy, it's today's reality. Welcome to the profitable universe of affiliate marketing on Instagram. A new generation of savvy individuals have found a way to capitalize on the popularity of Instagram, particularly its feature, Reels. These individuals are not celebrities, nor are they influencers with millions of followers. They are ordinary people who have discovered the extraordinary potential of Instagram as a marketing platform. They've harnessed the power of Reels, short, engaging videos that capture the attention of viewers and keep them coming back for more. But these aren't just any Reels. They're carefully crafted, meticulously planned, and strategically targeted to promote affiliate products. Every view, every like, every share translates into potential earnings. This is where the magic of the Affiliate Hub comes into play. This hub serves as the central point where all affiliate links are stored. It's the place where potential customers are directed to, where they can find all the products being promoted. And every time a purchase is made through these links, a commission is earned. So how does it work? It begins with choosing the right affiliate products that align with the content of the Reels. The next step is creating engaging and creative content that not only promotes the product, but also provides value to the viewers. This is followed by strategically placing the affiliate links in the description or comments section. And finally, driving traffic to these links through consistent posting, engaging with followers, and leveraging the power of hashtags. It's a game of numbers, creativity, and strategy. But the rewards? They're well worth the effort. From earning a few extra bucks to making a full-time income, the potential is vast and the opportunities endless. To summarize, the key to earning with affiliate marketing on Instagram lies in the strategic use of Reels, the selection of the right affiliate products, effective content creation, and efficient utilization of the Affiliate Hub. It's a new wave of marketing, a fresh way to earn, and a trend that's set to redefine the digital space. Follow Digital Ragarage on Instagram to delve deeper into this fascinating world. Share this knowledge with friends and family. After all, the digital gold rush has just begun, and there's plenty to go around. So, are you ready to transform your Instagram into a profitable marketing platform? The journey may be challenging, but the rewards, they're beyond imagination. Welcome to the future of affiliate marketing on Instagram. Welcome to a world of endless possibilities.